sucking on her thumb and grabbing for the fun toys. You found your thumb, sweetie? Yeah, show Daddy how you found your thumb.
Fun. Daddy can see him.
You're pretty. What is that? What is that? No, not untangle this from your finger. Can I untangle this from your finger? There. Beautiful. We're at her 5th occupational therapy appointment, and she's doing so well. Oh, there's her right hand, and she's reaching for the stuff. What is that? Bring it up towards you. Look at that. Yeah, I'm going to kind of aggravate you here. What do you think? She's almost to that stage of staying, and she's going to either want to go on her stomach or on her back. Okay. But it's a very normal stage. I can tell she's just about. Well, that's what she does in the bassinet nowadays. I realize she even though I've got her propped her with towels, she finds a way to kind of get on her back. Yeah. So as they gain more movement, they a little more mobile. You can't keep it in one place anymore, huh? Girl. Good girl. Yeah. I wonder if I put it way up here. Yeah. Well, the battery light's a question. Do we charge the battery? We just missed the commentary, but Maureen said she's looking really good. What do you think? You're getting a little annoyed. Are you getting a little annoyed with me? Yeah, should we play with the beads? Let's play with the beads here. The shiny green ones. What do you think of these? What do you think of these? Was there a blanket? Are you spitting? There we go. These? I know, I'm trying to get you to go towards this side. Yeah. What's on this arm? What's on this arm? I wonder, what is this? Yeah, it's so dirty. She doesn't want to reach for the bead. She wants to play with Maureen. What are these over here? What are these? She's a very social girl. What? I'm trying to get her to want the bead. Maybe she's colorblind and she doesn't like green. Shiny ones in here. Oh, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I know. You never know. Those are the only shiny ones we had for you. She's got them. Whoa. What do you think? You want to bring them to your other hand? What do you think? I know. Good girl. Good girl. Nice job. I'm holding onto your left arm. Isn't that silly? Yeah, that's a very silly thing to do. Oh, you're going to smile at me. Oh! The smiley. It's over here. Yeah. Very cute girl. Yeah. Yes. It's over here. Put his head around. You're pinky. Good girl. She's over there. It's just right. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Moving her head from side to side. Oh, can I get you? There you go. Good girl. Very nice. Who's over there? Who's over there? Say that to Jenny. Yeah. It's over there. Is that your hand? Yeah? Good girl.
Yeah.
This is yummy.
This is yummy.
Tasty hand.
She's on the right side and she's staying there. She's being very good. She's pushing up. She's pushing her head up.
Good girl.
She can reach
Oh,
the other
very
side. She's so
strong. There we go. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, that's a little hard work. That's a little hard work. Good girl.
Oh my good girl.
Take a little break? Okay.
She was very excited about that hand.
Yeah.
To the other side.
Should we push up for a little bit more? Yeah? Does that look interesting? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, good pushing.
Good girl.
Good pushing. Very nice. Good girl. Oh, I'm getting a little bit of milk here.
Uh-oh.
Just a bit.
Yeah, she just ate. I had a feeling when she laid down we had a little bit of
Yeah, should I put you on your side?
spitting.
Yeah, you okay? Yeah, that's a lot of movement. Okay, I'll put you back on your side. Here we go. Here, no need to get upset. Here. Nice job.
She's like, that's mine.
Nice job. You want to do that?
She just found that big
Yeah.
red and silver heap
Okay.
and she's
Okay, let's come on this side.
grabbing for it.
Okay.
Here.
Yeah, you interested in this? Not really, huh? Not really. Okay, next, you're not.
She's pushing up really loud.
Very good.
Look at that. She's going to be crawling in no time.
Oh, I know, this is hard work. Oh, you take a break? Okay. Yeah, that's hard work. That's hard work. Should go back up? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Good girl. You're kind of sliding around on the sheet, too. Good. This is really nice. Nice. Oh, look at that. Oh, big girl. She's so big. Uh-huh. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah. Look at this time.
She got her thumb. She's got her thumb and she's sucking on it. Look at that.
Keeping her head to the right.
Look at that. She found her thumb. She's such a good girl. And
We're sleepy. Oh, we're drooling too. Mom, Mom, we're spitting up.
oops.
There's
my little girl. She just spit up a little bit. And she's following her dad. Their eyes. There's a little spit right there. It's okay. Hi. Uh-oh. Can you wipe your face? Oh, Brian, don't kill her with the towel. Oh. What's your daddy doing? You looking at your daddy?
No soup for you.
Hi, sweetie. Hi, Gaga. Gaga. Hi, Gaga. Hi, Gaga. Hi, Gaga. Say hi. Can you say hi? Hey, over here. Over here. Hi. Can you keep talking, sweetie? Oops, you're talking. What do you
Priya, say, yes, mommy. Yes, mommy.
Can you talk, honey? Can you talk, sweetie? Talk to Jenny.
Hi, Priya.
You talking? Uh-oh, little spitting. Uh-oh. Can you talk, sweetie?
No, this is Minnie Mouse. Here. Here.
Can you talk, little girl? Are you talking? Sweetie? Talk to Mama. Can you talk to Mama? There's my big girl. Oh, there's a smile. Can you smile? Good. She likes me calling my name, Goofy. Can you talk to Jenny? There's a big smile. Oh, are you happy?
Ooh. Say hi, Minnie Mouse. Hi, Mickey Mouse.
Hi, can you talk, sweetie? Yeah? What are you saying? It's your mama. What are you saying? Hi, Kuka. Hi, Uga. I don't want to say anything. You're camera shy again.
Peekaboo.
Let's look at my big girl. Look at that big baby. Cute big baby. There's my little baby. She's waking up. There's my little girl smiling at her daddy.
Did you put any tape in?
Uh-huh. Smiling? Smiling.
Smiling. Smiling.
That's a big smile.
Smiling.
Good. Aga.
Smiling. Smiling.
You smiling?
Smiling.
Are you smiling, little girl?
Smiling.
You're a happy girl. There's a nice smile. Can you show us that smile again? How are you today?
How are you today? How are you today?
Carson's is everybody's favorite place.
Talking?
Mama.
Hi, pretty green eyes.
Alright, whoa.
Poor little Priya. She's so pale and her hair is turning lighter brown. Oh, you don't look like your mama at all.
Yeah, you do.
You're a white baby. Oh. Sorry.
Siggy? Oh, alright. We're gonna go see Mom. What's she doing? She's a big girl. Mom.
Are you happy? Okay, I'm gonna come get you now. Oh, there's a big smile. He's got a smile.
Are you talking?
Well, it's chalk.
You're very chatty.
Good.
Very chatty this evening.
But he's supposed to be there too.
Whoa.
Join our organization.
There's my precious little girl sleeping in our bed. She got up at 6:30 this morning. it when she gets comfortable. Such a good angel. And I can't find it. Don't know who I'm kidding. Imagining you care. 'Cause I can't tell you waiting. A fool for another day. I don't suppose it's worth the price of the price that I would pay. The reason I'm singing, even though I have a crappy voice, is because she needs to like it. Smile! Can you keep smiling? So I'm looking at her and singing, so if this isn't recording right, sorry. Bound. And I can't figure out. Are you there? There you go. Only feel the pain. And only you to blame. Oh! Will it never change? 'Cause I am living, breathing, and I can't find me. There's my baby cooing. You like the music? A fool for another day. Can you smile? What? Oh, can you sing? Would pay, thinking it over anyway, yeah, thinking it over anyway, yeah. Uh-oh, I'm not even looking at you, sorry. Can you smile? Oh, what's that face?